how to create a Gmail account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we're going to learn how we can create Gmail account. So without any delay, let's start with the process, go on with the process on how we can create a Gmail account. So let's begin, but before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and turn on the notification bells to get updated about our latest videos. So you just need to head over to the google.com. After that, type in gmail.com and you'll be taken to this page where you can create an account. So when you go here, you can find this login page of your Gmail. So if you don't have an account and you want to create an account, you can find it create account besides at the bottom side of the screen. Just tap on create account and you can find three options here: for my personal use, for my child, for work or business. So choose any of the reasons. For example, I'm using for my personal use, and here you'll get this option where you need to enter your name. So you may just enter your name here. After that, type in your second name here, the last name, and after typing in your last name, tap on next. After tapping on next, on this page you're going to find this basic information section where you need to enter your birthday and gender. So first of all, you need to enter your year here. I'm gonna enter this day here and your month. Select your month there you are born on. After that is done, you need to select your gender here. Tap on this gender drop down option. After that, select your gender and tap on next. After tapping on next, you need to create a username for yourself, for your account. You may just create any random username for now. I'm using this username for now and tapping on next. And after tapping on next, you just need to enter a password and confirm your password and tap on next. After that, your account will be successfully created. So that's how you basically create your own Gmail account, following the steps on your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.